This is our model Lua. In this video, Graham will be doing a variation on a Bixie haircut. The Bixie evolved as a natural progression of the pixie and bob styles. Starting at the front in the fringe, Graham begins by cutting a length that sits just above Lua's eyebrow. He continues taking parallel sections and directing each new section out from its base to create a consistent length horizontally. Using the previously cut hair as a guide, he cuts a length that is consistent to the top of the ear, directing each new section backwards to the first to leave a longer length at the front. Moving to the back, Graham cuts an external length, using a chipping technique for a soft finish. Notice how Graham uses his fingers and comb to gently apply tension for maximum control as he is cutting. To flatten the hair under the horseshoe section, Graham takes a vertical section and cuts a length that sits flatter to the head, directing each new section out from its base to create a rounder horizontal length, stopping at the roundness of the head. Disconnecting the hairline, he continues with horizontal sections, continuing the rounder feeling to behind the ear, directing each new section backwards so his lengths increase towards the top. Notice how Graham is using a chipping technique to create a softer internal length. Maintain the length on the hairline. Graham takes vertical sections and cuts a length that is shorter internally to longer externally. The hair on top is kept longer and disconnected to create freedom and movement. To remove more weight and add texture, Graham is going through his shape and using a serrated razor. Here is the finished Bixie inspired haircut. Thank you for watching Allilon YouTube.
We're going to say like, subscribe,
Like,
share, comment and subscribe.
why don't you come in, show us how it's done, like both of you.
That's a really good
and then
idea.
we'll come back and then we'll replicate.
That is such a good idea.